the shore. Hearts align without a sound. In this rhythm we are found. Skank so fresh and clean, grooving through the sunny scene. Bassline bouncing through your chest, bringing out your very best. Nothing else you've gotta prove, just relax and feel the groove. Every heartbeat feels alive, in this place we truly thrive. Let the music guide your way through another perfect day. Sunlit Island. nice to just let go. Sky so wide, so open blue. Every dream feels close to you. In this drift we lose all time. Everything just feels alive. Close your eyes, feel it near. Nothing else but now and here. Let it flow, let it be. Drifting in eternity. Endless summer drift feels like such a gift. Let the rhythm guide like a rising tide. Endless summer drift, every moment shift moves your soul so free, where you're meant to be. Guitar fades away, still the feeling wants to stay. Bassline deep but soft and true, like the ocean pulling you. Every second slow and wide, floating with the turning tide. In this calm you understand, life is more than we had planned. Let it fade into the light, hold the feeling nice and tight. In this dream we finally see what it means to just be free. Endless summer drift feels like such a gift. Let the rhythm guide like a rising tide. Endless summer drift, every moment shift moves your soul so free, where you're meant to be. Drift away, slow. Drift away, slow. Colors dancing on the ocean, every second feeling right, wrapped in soft and fading light. Gentle breeze across my face, time just slows in this space. No more noise, no more rush, just this calm, just this hush. Let it drift, let it flow, there's no place we gotta go. Feel the rhythm, take it slow, let the island take control. Golden hour drift feels like such a gift. Let the reggae play, There's a place that sets me free. Silent waves in open air. Peace is flowing everywhere. No more noise inside my head. All the heavy thoughts have fled. Just the sound of ocean tide, breathing slow and deep inside. Let it go, let it fade. Every worry slowly break. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. Whispers through the air. Simple notes without a care. Baseline deep but barely there. Still you feel it everywhere. Every moment stretching wide, like the endless open tide. In this stillness you can see what it means to be free. Time dissolves, no control, just the music, just the soul. In this space we understand life is more than we had planned.
the tone. You're the place I call my home. Every beat, every sound lifts my feet off the ground. Island breeze connection, pure reflection. Feel the love we share, floating in the air. Island breeze connection, no direction, just you next to me. That's where I wanna be.
Ocean
women singing soft and low, moving with the afterglow. Guitar chords just set the mood. Everything feels undisturbed.
Bassline deep like endless sea, pulling you right into me. In this rhythm we can stay. Let the world just fade away.
Time stands still when you're near. Every moment crystal clear. In this love we finally see what it means to truly be.
Island breeze connection, pure reflection. Feel the love we share, floating in the air. Island breeze connection, no direction, just you next to me. That's where I wanna be. Feel that breeze, breeze connection, love. Breeze connection, love.
Escape. Yeah. Island rhythm. Step away from city noise. Trade it in for simple joys. Island calling. Hear the sound. Good vibes always all around. Sun is shining. Spirits high. No more stress. Just let it fly. Every beat just lifts you up. Feel your soul and feel your cup. Let it go, leave it behind. All the weight inside your mind. Feel the groove, feel the vibe. Let your spirit come alive. Island rhythm escape. Let your worries all fade. Feel the sunshine bright from the day to night. Island rhythm escape. Every move, every shake. Let the good vibes stay. Never drift away. Oh. Steel drums laughing in the air. Feel the freedom everywhere. Guitar skank so crisp and clean. Living out a simple dream. Bassline bouncing nice and round. Heartbeat in the island sound. Nothing else we really need. Just this vibe to set us free. Dance along the shoreline breeze. Life is flowing with such ease. In this moment we can see this is how it's meant to be. just the shade and the sea. Gentle wave, steady sound, peace is all that's around. Every second drifting by, like a cloud across the sky. Take it easy, take your time. Life is better when it's light. Let it flow, let it slide. No more need to rush the tide. Lazy island afternoon, soft and easy tune. Let the rhythm stay, drifting through the day. Lazy island afternoon, under mellow moon. Feel the calm inside, with the turning tide. Guitar playing soft and low, like a story you already know. Bassline barely moving through, still it pulls you nice and true. Nothing loud, nothing fast, just a moment made to last. In this space we understand, life is simple as the sand. Let it fade, let it be, flowing like the open sea. In this calm you will find peace within your mind. Lazy island afternoon, soft and easy tune. Let the rhythm stay, drifting through the day. Lazy island afternoon, under mellow moon. Feel the calm inside, with the turning tide. Colors dancing on the ocean, every second feeling right, wrapped in soft and fading light. Gentle breeze across my face, time just slows in this space. No more noise, no more rush, just this calm, just this hush. Let it drift, let it flow, there's no place we gotta go. Feel the rhythm, take it slow, let the island take control. Golden hour drift, feels like such a gift. Let the reggae play, carry us away. Golden hour drift, every little shift moves the soul so free, just you and me. Footprints fading in the sand, moments slipping through our hands, but the feeling always stays, like the warmth of island days. Bassline rolling soft and deep, like a promise we can keep. Everything just feels aligned, peace within the mind. Hold this vibe, don't let go, this is all we need to know. In this light we finally see, life is how it's meant to be. drifting slow. Go. The way. Yeah. Feel the rhythm in the air. Island vibe is everywhere. Sun is shining on my skin. Let the good times just begin. Ocean calling, can't deny. See the freedom in the sky. Every step I take is smooth, moving with that island groove. Let it lift you up inside, like a never-ending tide. No more stress, no delay. Let it wash it all away. Ride the island wave. Let your spirit rave. Feel the sunshine bright from the day to night. Ride the island wave. Let your soul be brave. Move it nice and free in this energy. Yeah. Still I'm shining in the sun. Every heartbeat feels like one. Guitar skank so sharp and clean, living in a perfect scene. Bassline bouncing through your chest, bringing out your very best. Nothing else you gotta prove, just relax and feel the groove. We don't need no other place. Time slows down at this pace. In this vibe we finally see life is how it's meant to be. Ride the island wave. Let your spirit rave. Feel the sunshine bright from the day to night. Ride the island wave. Let your soul be brave. Move it nice and free in this energy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ride the wave. Yeah, yeah. Ride the island wave. Let your spirit rave. Feel the sunshine bright from the day to night. Ride the island wave. Let your soul be brave. Move it nice and free in this energy. Ride. Summer, drift away. Days that never seem to end. Moments we don't need to mend. Ocean whispers soft and low, telling us to just let go. Sky so wide, so open blue. Every dream feels close to you. In this drift we lose all time. Everything just feels aligned. Close your eyes, feel it near. Nothing else but now and here. Let it flow, let it be. Drifting in eternity. Endless summer drift feels like such a gift. Let the rhythm guide, like a rising tide. Endless summer
guitar fades away, still the feeling wants to stay. Bassline deep but soft and true, like the ocean pulling you. Every second slow and wide, floating with the turning tide. In this calm you understand, life is more than we had planned. Let it fade into the light, hold the feeling nice and tight. In this dream we finally see what it means to just be free. Endless summer drift feels like such a gift. Let the rhythm guide, like a rising tide. Endless summer drift, every moment shift moves your soul so free, where you're meant to be. Drift away, slow. Blue horizon, calm. Far away where sky meets sea, there's a place that sets me free. Silent waves and open air, peace is flowing everywhere. No more noise inside my head, all the heavy thoughts have fled. Just the sound of ocean tide, breathing slow and deep inside. Let it go, let it fade, every worry slowly break. In the calm you will find peace within your mind. The horizon calm like a healing balm. Let the rhythm flow, nice and soft and low. The horizon calm, safe within your palm. Feel the ocean breeze bring you to your ease. Guitar whispers through the air, simple notes without a care. Bassline deep but barely there, still you feel it everywhere. Every moment stretching wide, like the endless open tide. In the stillness you can see what it means to be free. Time dissolves, no control, just the music, just the soul. In this space we understand, life is more than we had planned. Calm horizon, neon light sand, reaching out your hand. Feel the vibe, feel the heat, heartbeat sinking with the beat. No control, let it go. Let the night just take you slow. Island neon night, under flashing lights. Let the rhythm flow, nice and soft and low. Island neon nights, everything feels right. Move your body free in this energy. Echo guitar and delay, floating through the night this way. Bassline heavy, smooth and deep, pulling secrets that we keep. Every step just feels alive, leaving all the world behind. In this glow we come alive, feel the midnight vibe. Time dissolves into the sound, no more edges, no more ground. In the space we're drifting free, lost in pure intensity. Island neon nights, under flashing lights. Let the rhythm flow, nice and soft and low. Island neon nights, everything feels right. Move your body free in this energy. Sunrise painting golden skies, reflections dancing in my eyes. Morning breeze so soft and light, everything just feels so right. Waves are calling from the shore, like a song I can't ignore. Every step feels calm and free, island life surrounding me. Take it slow, let it rise, feel the warmth of morning light. Every breath, every sound, peace is finally found. Morning island flow, let your spirit glow. Feel the reggae play, start a brighter day. Morning island flow, take it nice and slow. Let your worries fade in the light we made. Steel drums ringing soft and clear, melody you wanna hear. Guitar skank so clean and bright, grooving gently with the light. Bassline rolling smooth and low, like a river steady flow. Nothing else we really need, just this vibe to feel complete. New day, new way, let the sunshine lead the way. In this glow we can see life is simple, wild and free. Morning flow, let it glow. Morning island flow, let your spirit glow. Feel the reggae play,
is finally found. Time dissolves into the air. No more burdens left to bear. In this moment we can see life is simple, wild and free.
Reflections dancing in my eyes. Morning breeze so soft and light. Everything just feels so right. Waves are calling from the shore, like a song I can't ignore. Every step feels calm and free. Island life surrounding me. Take it slow, let it rise. Feel the warmth of morning light. Every breath, every sound, peace is finally found. Morning island flow, let your spirit glow. Feel the reggae play, start a brighter day. Morning island flow, take it nice and slow. Let your worries fade in the light we made. Drums ringing soft and clear, melody you wanna hear. Guitar skank so clean and bright, grooving gently with the light. Bassline rolling smooth and low, like a river steady flow. Nothing else we really need, just this vibe.